You're so excited for your birthday! Ah, it's my birthday! This is going to be annoying to listen to later. Emily.
Sweetie. Sweetie.
Emily, that is just so loud. Good thing Nana bought you new cups. You should keep putting it in the cake. You're hilarious. Dancing, dancing. Yeah. Ah, I like cake! Daddy, so loud.
Are you happy, girl? Huh? You want to give Mommy a hug? Oh, I want some macaroni and cheese.